Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 5-step dog stairs for my little puppies here. They're so small, they have troubles getting up to our bed at night, and of course they want to sleep with us. So I was sent this from Vfrog. I got the 5-step size, which is 22.5 inches, and we're just going to put this together. It comes in pieces, so you've got your steps here, which is just got really soft covering on here. It's like a microfiber. And then you just lay it over it. The bottom of it has a non-slip grip on there. So that way it's not just going to pull away when the dogs are running up it and then they fall, because that's not what anybody wants. So we're going to piece this together and then we're going to take it over and let the dogs try it out. And it is already getting really big after it's been condensed down. Look at that go. Oh my goodness. Let's get the wrapper out and check this thing out so we can watch it go. That's really cool how fast that came up. That is ready. All right, let's get the rest. So let me just line them all up with this bottom part, and then we will have our set of stairs. So far, super simple. We've got our 5 stairs here, just big enough for the dogs to be able to jump up. Then we add our cover over it. It's got a zipper all the way around it, so we just get the zipper on there, make sure this is on the bottom, and we start putting it over these stairs. Now we're just going to zip up the bottom, and we will go out and test it out. But that was pretty easy to put on. You just want to make sure that you stack all this back part up really straight, or else the stairs get a little bit more difficult to put on. So just stack them up straight, and it just goes on pretty well. We'll go put it by the bed and let the puppies go up it. Ready? Okay, come on, puppies. Oh, that's good, puppies. Good girl. Come on, Woogie. Come on. That's a good boy. Well, that worked out great. Got him up the stairs. I didn't have to lean over and go grab him. This is really nice. One of the other features I really like is that it is foam. So since at the end of the bed, if you're walking and you kick it, you don't have to worry about your poor toes on some really hard surface. So really like this little bed thing, and I love that it's got a nice carrying handle on it. All right, come on down, puppies. Come on. Come here. Come on, Woogie. You come here. Good.